guys. So it's finally the day. Happy Karwa Chauth to everyone who's celebrating. And look at my mehendi here. Look at the final color. It looks so nice. And also, I don't know if you can really see Saranch's name here. And today, the first time, Saranch has never fasted for me, but today he's fasting. Happy Karwa Chauth.
It's never too late. My mouth is literally dry right now and I feel like drinking water.
It's just the start right now. So it's 12 p.m. and the plan for today is like literally I'm not going to do anything today because if I do anything, I don't want to exert myself because I can't drink water. So yes, in this fast, this is the most difficult fast, guys. You cannot drink water, you cannot eat anything, you cannot drink anything till this time you see the moon. And I just checked online and it says that the moon will come at around 8:30 p.m. So there's a long way to go for us.
I don't know how I'm gonna survive.
You will. We're doing this together, so we should be good. Saranch, what do you want to eat for dinner? I think we should start prepping for that because that will make us excited.
I'm up for Indian. Chane bhature, samosa.
I just had all of that yesterday, actually.
Oh yeah. Pizza?
I don't mind actually. But yeah, we'll figure out. And honestly, it's so dry here that in the morning, I'm already thirsty. Like, can you imagine? Anyways, we're not going to talk about it. And now, let's get ready. This is the suit I finally got from Viva. And Saranch is looking dapper in his kurta that he already had from India.
Yeah. What do you think about our look?
Yeah, what do you think about our look? We actually just made a very fun reel. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram to watch that Karwa Chauth reel. It was really fun to do that with you.
This was actually my first reel. She insisted me to.
Yeah, I was like, let's do something fun. And also, we need to, utilize all of this time that we cannot eat. So that was a fun activity that we just did. But now, it's time to set up this thali, this plate, and we will need all of this during the night when we see the moon and when I see Saranch from this. But for that we still have time, but I'm just going to prepare this and then do a little doing puja, and then we are going to head out for coffee because in my family, my mother-in-law, everyone, they have tea or coffee in the afternoon after doing that thali thingy that you have to exchange thalis, but I don't have anyone with me, so I'm just alone. We'll be doing that thali with you probably. If you're watching, yeah, just understand the vibes. Anyway, let's just set this up. And also from the quality restaurant, I got gulab jamun as well. I'm sure there are a lot of things that I'm missing in this, but this is all I can do alone by myself. But anyways, we are now going to put the prayers on YouTube. Actually typing Karwa Chauth puja and which video should I play? I have no idea. I've always seen my mother and then my mom-in-law doing this, but then it's okay. So, mommy, if you're watching, I miss you. I should probably put
Just put this one, huh?
Let's see.
Put this one.
I don't know which one is this.
This is the one.
Should we just listen to this then?
No, this is not the katha.
This is the katha that you listen, right? I just feel for some reason that it's not the same story, but I think it is. Okay, let's listen to this. I'm praying for Saranch's long life. Saranch, may you live a long, long, long life. Long!
May you
more than me.
You also live a long, long life.
Yeah, we're just fasting for each other's long life. I don't have anyone to exchange this with.
Just do like this. We could have gone to the temple also, but the temple is like very far away. It's like an hour if we go by public transit.
Yeah. Okay guys, we just came out and we are feeling so weird.
Yeah.
That we are all dressed up like this and walking in downtown.
Exactly, wearing Indian for the very first time.
This is the first time we've actually worn
People are
Indian.
actually staring at us.
Yeah.
Got my first stare.
You did?
Yeah.
Look at Saranch walking in downtown. Look at him. Saranch, you still look okay. Saranch, you still look okay.
People are actually staring from the streetcar.
Yeah, from the streetcar. But I think it's okay. What will they think? Maybe they'll think that we are going to some wedding or something, or we got married today. Maybe because of the henna and everything. But anyways, let's just grab coffee. Let's go to this Tim Hortons.
Peekapoo in Indian wear in downtown.
Got it. Cheers. Now let's find a spot where we can have coffee and it is awkward, guys. It is, especially in downtown.
Especially in downtown, people are not used to it.
Yeah.
Cheers. To Karwa Chauth.
Finally, yeah, cheers to our love, our bond that will be there forever, and to you guys as well if you're celebrating, and even if you're not, even then, cheers. Look who I just met, one of my subscribers. So nice to meet you. What's your name, Soyan?
My name is Arpan.
Arpan?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much. I have been following you on Instagram as well.
So nice to meet you.
So nice to
Always.
meet you.
So guys, if you ever see me, don't hesitate. Just come and say hi because I
Yeah.
love meeting people. So.
And we love meeting you. We love you, Pooja.
Thank you. It was definitely fun. In spite of all the stairs and everything, I totally enjoyed it.
Me too. Now I'm very comfortable.
Yeah, now it doesn't matter. I've also embarrassed myself a lot by taking pictures right on the street. Saransh was clicking my pictures for Instagram, and yeah, I was just walking, like doing this and this, like in downtown on the streets here in Toronto, which is so funny.
Yeah, just post
But-
one photograph for everyone.
Yeah, I'll post for that again. Instagram, guys, Instagram. But look at this blue hour right now, and look at these lights. It looks so nice.
But where will we see the moon? Because there's no open space. I only see buildings. So.
Skyscrapers here.
Yeah.
Because we are right in the downtown core, so it's going to be extremely difficult to find the moon. We'll figure out something.
I hope we don't have to take a Uber and go somewhere else to to watch the moon.
Yeah, I hope not. Hello. Don't be shy.
Not shy, I cry.
Don't tell me, why are you crying?
So, Eid Mubarak for me because I finally, was able to meet Pikapu and Saransh bhai. Okay.
We are blessed to have this, community. So thank you so much.
Alright, so when it comes to Canada vlogs, then Pikapu is the best channel that you should watch
You are
every
making
vlog.
me teary-eyed now. Hearing
Now-
this, like the way you
Now
said-
everyone is getting emotional here.
No, I got teary-eyed. I'm not kidding.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for supporting. Shit, I'm teary-eyed. I can't believe this. So we just met one of my subscribers again, Shehzad. This vlog has all been about all the love, man.
Yeah.
With us, with my subscribers. I can't believe this, man.
He was
yeah.
a really, really nice and a very sweet guy.
Yeah, he got me teary-eyed. This is all I can say. But anyways, our coffee date is done and now we are just heading back home and we'll wait for the moon now.
Clock has started ticking. We have 2 hours left.
Yeah,
We have to
hopefully.
wait for 2 hours.
Yes. Okay, guys. Now it's really difficult. It's 8, almost 8 p.m. and I'm having such a bad headache. I can't tell you. I thought I would feel better after having that coffee, but maybe it was just so cold outside and we were just roaming around, or I don't know. Maybe it's been the entire day now, right? So we need food. How are you doing?
I'm feeling very weak.
The problem here is we can't really see anything from our balcony because we are all covered with buildings here. There is one option for which we don't have to really go downstairs. We have something in our condo building on some, I think, 9th floor, and from there's no obstruction of the views, so maybe we will get to see the moon. So let's wear the jacket. Festivals here in Canada in this cold, it's like this. This is the reality. It was fine in the evening, but now it's really cold. I think we should just go upstairs and check it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Dead.
Yeah.
Feeling dead.
Super dead.
I really hope we get to see the moon. Do you see it anywhere, Saransh?
No,
Check it out.
I don't see it anywhere. Because we're covered with buildings from all the sides.
Yeah, look at this. Where can we find the moon, man? Saransh, find the moon.
I'm trying my best.
The entire is pretty clear. But where's the moon? Do you see this?
Let's sit here for 15-20 minutes and wait for the moon.
But Saransh, in these buildings, where? Even if we have to go out, we have to go really far, because even if I go on the street, I'll still be covered by this. Round 2, guys. I just posted on my Instagram and checking with everyone if they can see and if they can let me know as well. And all the messages that I'm getting right now is that I won't be able to see moon tonight. Can you imagine? Because it's so cloudy, and this is the situation every time Karwa Chauth comes in Canada because it's so cold during this time. Let's go. You have the keys? Finally, it's time to break the fast.
Without the moon.
Yeah, and if you're wondering why, because it's so cloudy, it's already 10:30. We waited for 2 hours. I can still wait if we are able to see the moon, but we won't be even if we wait till 2 a.m. in the night. And it's been 2 hours since the moon has risen. So, yeah, I'm going to break the fast now. Anyway. Since he also fasted, so I have to do this as well. Making him drink. Good. And wait. There's more gulab jamun.
Oh yeah. I think first I'll
Let's
make
do
you.
it together.
I'll make you. Oh yeah.
Let's do it together. Gulab jamun it is. Happy Karwa Chauth.
Happy Karwa Chauth.
This is good.
Yeah. Now you actually realize the importance of food in your life.
Let's have one more.
Yeah. Half. Thank you.
And now let's go downstairs because we have our dinner waiting for us.
And for
dinner we
decided to have.
Let's go downstairs.
Let's go.
And we have
Our favorite pizza.
the day is over, the fast is over. But we had such a great day today, and I think because you supported me as well, that was the best part. That's what made my fast easier as well, to be very honest.
I'm actually proud of myself also. I thought I won't last for the entire day.
Even I thought so, but we did.
Yeah.
And yeah,
It was
again.
a successful Karwa Chauth.
Yes.
By the way, I'm very sad.
With? Why?
Because you guys don't share her videos. And you're not subscribing, guys. Come
Yeah,
on.
there's so many of you don't subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. I really need your support. I can't do anything without you. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do subscribe so that I can keep making some amazing videos and keep entertaining you as well. Anything you wanna say?
I'm done.
Done for the day.
Done for
So
the
alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Just hit that button right there.
And subscribe.
And also subscribe to the channel. And if you have subscribed already, do click the bell icon to turn the notification on so that whenever I upload any new videos, you're always notified. And that's it from our side, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.